Hi everybody, happy Saturday. Welcome to 14748 Tanja King Boulevard in beautiful Avalon Park. We're hosting an open house here today from 12 to 3, but come on inside and let's see a little bit of the house. As we enter the home, as you can see, we have a very large room that this particular family is using for entertaining. It can be a combo living room, dining room, and you can see out at the beautiful lake through the windows. Wonderful space and open. And then we have the kitchen, beautiful cabinetry and granite countertops with stainless steel appliances that all convey with the home. And we have this beautiful family room, and it all blends very well and open for people to get through the home and enjoy each other. Now, this is the best part. We have this incredible lake view. In the mornings, coffee, and you can see all the wildlife and eagles come and visit. At night, the sunrise is magnificent, and it's all conservation behind, and there's no building over there. So come by and see the rest of the house.